Hello, I'm going to talk about the Endeavor HSH model today, why it is what it is and how it's different from others and why you may want to consider getting one. But I wanted to go through the whole thing and kind of explain it to you. So this is the Endeavor, and what it is basically has a big 8.4 motor in it, so it's got really good vacuum. It has a 1200 psi pump in it, so it's got really good pressure, so you can do tile and grout. It also has a heater for carpet cleaning, so when you're cleaning carpets you can still heat it up to as long as you have like 500 psi, it'll give you just insane really good heat. The way it does this magic on 2 cords, it's really doing it automatically. It's changing from the heated mode to the pressure mode automatically. So when you're doing tile and grout, turn it up to 1200 psi, you're able to get the 1200 psi. When you're doing carpet cleaning, turn it down to 500 psi or less, then you're going to get heat for carpet cleaning. So the results are amazing. But another thing is, a lot of people don't understand, if you have a portable, you can't have it not have autofill auto dump. If it does not have autofill auto dump, literally the machine, you're using about 5 times the water of carpet cleaning. So the machine is going to get full constantly, and it's going to need to be emptied, and also you need to add the water. So it's really important you have autofill auto dump. So the Endeavor has a built-in autofill auto dump in it. So once you hook up, you're just ready to clean. So this machine is very popular for facilities. A lot of our customers, casinos and places like that, they own this machine. And a lot of carpet cleaning companies who don't want to clean from their truck, this vacuum is insanely powerful when you're cleaning with the machine near you. It's not made to be cleaned from the truck. That may be the only disadvantage, but it's very powerful when you're using it. But the only problem is it weighs 170 pounds. You got to take it out of the truck, and that may be heavy. You can use a ramp and all that, but you know, sometimes that can add a little bit of inconvenience, or but for what you're getting, I mean, just the pump alone for the pressure is 40 pounds. So you figure, you know, the weight's coming from all the stuff you're getting. Also the finish, people don't really realize how good the finish is on the Endeavors and the EDIC machines. They also have a 5-year warranty, parts and labor. So you know they're built solid. They're all made in the US. And anyways, talking about this, it's like Corian, the finish. So like when you get scratches on it, after 5 years even, it's still gonna look like it's new because it just does so well with scratches because of the material that they use. It's pretty easy to transport besides the weight. It has wheels and all that with it. Let me show you the back of this machine first. As you can see here, it has these wheels. So what you can do is you can tilt it backwards onto the bed of the truck and then just slide it in. It is somewhat of a challenge for one person, but you know, it's not impossible. Other option is just to take a ramp and do it like that. And if you have a facility or if you have a place where you're going to be cleaning most of the time, you don't need to transport it. Or even if you're a contractor where you go from place to place and you have the ability to leave the machine, it's great because you're doing carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning. The performance is amazing. The reliability is out of this world. It's probably by far the best built machine in the entire country. We obviously have them in stock. We have different options and different packages. You can get a package where the wand and the tile and grout cleaning wand comes with it included. So the machine and that, and also we throw in the hose. There's a 25-foot sleeve hose, which is really nice, neat, and organized. It keeps the solution line and the vacuum line together. So that comes with when you get that package. You can also buy the machine by itself. It'll obviously still come with cords and, you know, just some of the obvious things that you need. It does work on 2 cords, and it even has the reset buttons on them, so it's really convenient to use. it's really a beast, and it's a really good investment because you're getting into 3 businesses basically right off the bat. You know, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning. Yes, taking it out can be a concern. Now, if you want something smaller, you could get something like this. This is a 500 psi Galaxy 2000. You can get it with heat or without heat. If you get it with heat, or let's just say you got it without heat the first time, then you can add heat later. It goes right on this piece. So you just take the heater and you put it right here, and then the heater stays on there, and it'll have its own separate cord. But right now this machine is just one cord, and that's powering the 500 psi pump and the 2 vacuum motors. This is also a great machine, but it's made to be taken out and used like that, not from your truck. Same thing, it's got a really nice granite finish, and it won't look like it's used after a week of use. And any other questions, just call us at Magic Wand Company. We have 3 locations, so you know we have the stuff that you need, things in stock, and the technicians to help you with any other questions that you have. That's about it. Thank you very much.